Hey guys, welcome back. It's iVibes Crochet, and today we're gonna keep unboxing the Crochet Amigurumi advent calendar from Yarnspirations and Red Heart. I purchased this from Walmart. I'll put a link in the description box. So we are on day 3, but for day 1 we had the candy cane, which came already made, and day 2 there were some supplies and then a pattern. We got the pattern on the website for the gingerbread man, which was I'm not even gonna lie, it wasn't that easy to make, but it came out super cute. This was my very first time making amigurumi, and it was fun, but it had me sweating a little bit, I think because it was so tiny. So today we are going to unbox day 3, and I think day 4 is something that we make, so we're gonna go ahead and make that. So it comes with 6 ready-made ornaments and then 6 ornaments where we have to make them. So I think getting a kit like this, whether it's an advent calendar or a crochet kit, if you're a beginner, it's a really great way to learn how to crochet, because the patterns, they tend to be something simple, and you get all the supplies you need. I think a lot of time when you're new and you're thinking about crocheting a project, you don't really know where to start. You don't know what supplies to get, and how to achieve the goal of making whatever it is that you're making. But with the kits, they usually always come with the pattern, the yarn, stuffing if it's amigurumi, the needle, literally everything you would need. So I think it's a good investment to try like the crochet kits or, you know, the advent calendars for fun. All right, so day 3, we have a heart ornament. It's super cute. And it comes with this clip, so you could use it as a keychain, or you could hang it on your tree. I think I'm going to go ahead and hang them on my tree once I'm all done. And I'm going to try to get through this before Christmas, so we'll see. There are tons of other projects that I'm working on. I'm also prepping for my first market, so I'm excited about that. So that's been taking up a lot of my time, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's see what is in day 4. All right, so this is day 4. We have, let's see if we can get this thing open. All right, so day 4, we have, and this kit does come with a crochet needle, a size 4 hook, but I've been using my own hook, so you're not going to see that here. But it comes with some red yarn, green yarn, white yarn, a lot of white yarn, black yarn, the hook, and polyfill. So to get the pattern, we have to scan this thing that came with the advent calendar. So let me get my tablet and see what we're making today. I'm guessing it's a Christmas tree. I'm trying not to cheat by looking at the back of this thing. So let's see what we have. Okay. There's my camera. Okay, so for day 4, drum roll, day 4, right? Yeah, day 4, we are doing, oh, it's a Christmas tree. I was right. Well, you probably can't see that, but so let's see what the directions call for. Magic loop, chain, single crochet, decreasing, simple increase, picot crochet. That's new to me. We're going to be working in rounds. We're going to be working in the back loops. This is going to be a challenge. I might take back what I said about these being easy. This is a challenge. Okay, so, well, where's the darn pattern? Oh, we got to download it. All right. Start with a magic loop, chain 1, 6 single crochet in a loop, chain 1, 2. Okay, so it starts off pretty easy. Looks like we're doing 19 rounds, and then we're making the snow, and then okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started on that. The directions seem pretty easy to follow. I'm gonna let you guys see the process of me making it, but it's not going to be a tutorial. I think the last time I tried to film a tutorial doing this, I almost took myself out because it was just so much work. So the pattern is online. I'll just kind of like give you guys an idea of what the process is like. So stay tuned to see how this comes out. All right, so we start off by making a magic circle with the white yarn, and it calls for a size 4 needle. So let's unwrap this. Gotta roll up sleeves. Let's make our magic circle. And after we do our magic circle, chain 1 and 6 single crochet in the loop. Okay, that seems pretty easy. Chain 1. Close that loop a little bit. This yarn is not the best. It's very silky. Y'all, tiniest magic circle I've ever made. Okay, but let's try it. See if we get 12 stitches. Chain 1. I'm gonna go into the same stitch just to see how many I get. Maybe I should use a stitch marker. Look at this knot that they put in here, y'all. Look at that. Ridiculous. I don't have my scissors handy. Otherwise, I would kind of trim that up a bit, but whatever. We're just gonna... Okay, so round 2 is complete and I joined at the top. All right, so round 3 is complete. That is what it's looking like. All right, so this is what we're looking like after finishing row 4. And I think this is the base of our tree, because now we're going to introduce green. So let's get that ready. And if you want a more detailed view of what I'm doing, I have a video where I show you all how to do a color change. So let's go ahead and bring green into the equation with a slip stitch. All right, so she's in there. This yarn is kind of hard to work with. As you can see, it's like breaking apart. Alright, so row 5 is complete. The introduction of the new color went pretty smoothly. That is what she's looking like so far. I'm pretty excited about how this is going to turn out. So for alright guys, honest opinion is these patterns are not beginner friendly. I can definitely say that for sure, because I thought it was just because I was new to origami why the gingerbread man was so difficult, but this one is I get stuck at certain points because the way that the pattern is written. So I'm on round 7 and I got confused because it doesn't tell you where to put the stitches when you're repeating, because remember we did all those stitches in the same single crochet stitch. It doesn't give you any directions like that. It just says to repeat from asterisk number 1 5 times. It doesn't tell you where to put the stitches if you're doing it all in the same stitches 5 times or you're doing one at a time. So that was confusing. So it's not beginner friendly. I had to really do some trial and error to figure out like what they meant. If this was beginner friendly, just spell it all out. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't. All right. And round 8 seems even more confusing. So I'm gonna, guys, this is where I'm at. And this is where I'm going to stop. I don't think I can finish this pattern. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. It's hard to read. It's hard to follow. Yeah, this pattern is not easy to read. I'm abandoning it. I think there are much easier Christmas tree pattern ornaments on the internet. And I'm going to try to find one. And we are going to make a Christmas tree ornament with another pattern because, yeah, I'm officially giving up. Day 4 of the Yarnspiration Amigurumi calendar, and I quit. Sincerely, like it's a no for me. I'm gonna get through the rest of the calendar. The gingerbread one, I got through it. That took forever to figure out what they meant in these instructions. That's the only other Yarnspirations pattern I've tried. I don't know how the rest of them are, but this one was really hard and I couldn't figure it out, so we're quitting. And I know that there are 3 more projects in this box and we'll see if I get through them. So this video was a disappointment, but I'm gonna post it anyway because yeah, sometimes crocheting is a fail, and today was an epic fail. Giant waste of time. So that's all I have for you today, y'all. I will see you in the next video. Bye.